Hey, everyone, welcome back to Recipes for You. Today, we're whitening our teeth naturally, right from home, with just a few simple ingredients. Let's brighten that smile, starting now. Teeth whitening and tartar removal in 1 minute. Today, I will share with you 2 easy and very effective recipes. The first recipe, we need a banana peel. Remove the inner content of the banana peel. Banana peels contain a substance that whitens teeth. Put the contents of the banana peel in a bowl. Lemon. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Salt eliminates bad breath and treats gingivitis. Toothpaste. Add a teaspoon of toothpaste. Mix the ingredients well. How to use this recipe. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 1 minute. You will notice an amazing result from the first use. The yellowing of the teeth will disappear and the tartar will fall off. You will get white and shiny teeth like pearls. For best results, repeat this recipe twice a day. You can keep the remaining mixture in the refrigerator. Second recipe. Take a garlic clove and peel it. Grate the garlic clove on a grater. Garlic whitens the teeth and drops the accumulated tartar. Add Add a teaspoon of coffee. Coffee removes yellowing and dark spots from teeth. Add a teaspoon of olive oil. Add a teaspoon of toothpaste. You can add your own toothpaste. Mix the ingredients well. How to apply the recipe. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 1 minute. You will notice an amazing result from the first use. You will get white and shiny teeth like pearls. For best results, repeat this recipe twice a day. Keep the remaining mixture in the refrigerator. Write in the comments from which country you watch my videos. Your opinion matters to me. Write me your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching.